another one. I think the humidity's got to this one. It seems to be leaning slightly. Morning. And this is very intricate. Lots of work in this one, people. Okay. Talk about going to the dark side. This is definitely the dark side wedding cake. Castles are always popular. There's some nice flowers in this one. Wow, okay, I'm impressed. There's some serious work in this one. I'll do a pullback in a minute, guys. I have a feeling this one's probably going to get recognised with prizes or medals or ribbons. I'm not sure what the Satin Ice team do here for prizes, whether it's ribbons, medals, a cheque, cash, product. There's another one, again, a very, very ornate cake. I'm wondering whether metallic was the theme for this one. The bottom of this reminds me slightly of one of Joshua John Russell's Man About Cakes. I think he did an octopus cake. That's what that reminds me of. Nice colour scheme to it though. Oh, again, let's go in for detail and I'll do a pullback in a bit. Now, I quite like steampunk, as I know quite a lot of you do. And I know there are certain things that are supposed to be steampunk and not just sticking cogs on things make something steampunk, but actually this has got a lot of seriously good influences of the steampunk styling. I think this person got it very, very right. Beautiful piece of work. Let's pull back, and it smells amazing. It's obviously all chocolate, people. So, there you go. Lovely piece of work. I should just come in from the side, just have another look at this. That was lovely. Lots of elements. Loving that piece. Oh, this is beautiful. Some beautiful detailing in that. I love the colour palette of this one. And I love the hummingbirds. I'm a great fan of hummingbirds. Very nicely done. Okay, Doreen, this one's for you again. Obviously, underwater theme. Crustacean incrustation, I think this should be called. Certainly crustated. So, nice use of succulent. They've had a nice show of cakes for this competition, I must admit. Nice arrangement of flowers. Let's do the pullback first on this one. And come on in for the close-up. A nice colour palette there. And wow, I would say those applied for all icing butterflies. So that's one side. So I'm guessing that must be mainly wedding cake. So I'm assuming this is carved or themed. Beautiful, beautiful piece of work here. Obviously a gravity-defying cake, quite a clever one as well. Okay, oh, sculpted, okay, SCP, sculpted, okay, I got that one now. So this is sculpted. It's got a dark cake on screen, hopefully it's pulling out the detail for you. This is cute, I'm loving this. Look at the face on that. Absolutely beautiful face on that. Come on, iPad, focus. There you go. Oh, there's Mr. Gator again. Do gators need to sunbathe? I do not know. Do they take a tan? I do not know. So, okay, look away if you don't like the squeamish. So, there you go. Head in the jar. Oh, cute. Nice bright block colours. Very playful theme. Okay. Flamingo. I'm guessing that's an isomor block, but it could be a gelatin block, so I'm not going to touch it. So there's a little sneaky peek. There's a gator popping through at the back. Some really nice details as far as the flamingo goes. Right, this has got to be Pirates of the Caribbean inspired. As I said, I'm sorry if my iPad's not showing it in all the detail, but I don't think all of the show lights have been turned on yet. I'm a little bit early, as the show doesn't open until 10 o'clock. Okay. Now, why am I thinking this is called Mother Earth or Tree of Life or something? Because cake shows are so multicultural, you actually sometimes don't know what all the themes are. Oh, I'm loving him. Hello. Now, I'm not sure whether he's an exceedingly fashionable gator or whether he's an exceedingly fashionable dragon. But you know what? Whichever way it is, try and get the detail in there. Am I going to be able to see in there? Probably. Let's go down there. There you go. Oh, cute tiny little bird in there. Absolutely lovely piece. Loving that one. Okay, this has got to be aliens. I don't know which alien, but it's obviously the Alien the movie, but I know there's about 3 or 4 of them now, so. Oh, that I should have a 6-pack like that. If it was only that easy carving it. So here is another one. This is what I'm thinking, it's Mother Earth again. Okay, if you don't like squeamish, definitely look away with the next one. So we'll do this from the base upwards. So from the gory, through the spine, to the grotesque. And I think we'll move right along there. Another cute one. Oh, how cute is that face? And we all know I'm envious of people who can model, so very, very beautiful. So, well, this is fun. This is absolutely fun. This looks a bit like the carnage I do when I try and decorate the house. So, which doesn't happen very often. Okay, it's a bit. We've got a gator eating a fish. I'm wondering whether that's a piranha. Staying with the Halloween theme. Hello, mister. Okay. Quite a nice looking owl. So this has got to be figures or something. Still trying to work out the themes here. Oh, it's written behind me. Duh. Okay. Guess what? Kerry didn't notice that. So, there you go. So, as I said, this is just giving you a flavour of what's here. I'm sure the magazines that are here will take pictures of these and they'll be posted, like American Cake Decorating Magazine, Cake Masters, any of those. I'm sure they've been going around here with a camera getting some great pictures for you. So, I'm guessing the thing at the top of this one is the Epcot Centre. So, it's celebrating Florida once again. There you go, there's one of these above and below cakes. So that's above and that's below. Cute. So we're almost at the end, guys. Sorry if this has been far too long. Oh, I'm loving the detail in this. Look at all of that. Lots of tiny, 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 I mean, those little swimmers in the ocean. Okay, if I try and put my hand in the shot, there you go, that's how small they are. That's my little finger. Those are way tiny. Lots of patience in that one. Another one using isomalt. It's nice to see isomalt being used in creative ways, I must admit. Okay, this is a big old gator. Don't want to meet this one in the dark. I don't want to meet this one in the daylight either. Mind you, I think he's a vegetarian because he's eating oranges. So, and finish with a nice sunshiny theme. So.